Hi guys, and welcome back to Inverell Face Painting. Today I'm doing this flower eye design. So I'm taking this purple and pink and silver one stroke that I made on my own and a flat brush. It's kind of like a centimeter and a half, and I'm doing these tulip shapes. I hope that's the right flower. So I'm doing a petal shape, but I'm pulling it up to a slight point, then pulling down and then bringing it across kind of like you would a rose. I'm taking these around the eye just to frame them, and you'll see throughout this tutorial that I kind of I place some and then I place some more just to see how it fits along my eye. Of course, with every child you have a different shaped face, so you would adjust how many you painted around the eye depending on how much space that you had. So here I'm taking a white and pink double dipped brush, and I'm creating a flower on the outer corner. I would really like to apologize as I'm out of view for most of this. So as you can see, what I've done is taken some petals throughout the open spaces of the flowers, and then I've gone in with the green and just pressed leaves in the same manner throughout, so it all kind of looks like a flowery bush. So I apologize for that, but then I've taken some white, added some dots and some starbursts, and that is the eye design finished. It's super quick and it will get you through your lines super fast. I really hope that you enjoyed. Please remember to subscribe, click like if you liked it, and also leave me a comment down below. I'd love to chat. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!